Okay. I'm not sure how much time we have left, but my phone clicked off. Oh, I hope we can continue this. That was 800. Let's wipe that off. It's getting a little more and more clear as we go along. Now we're up to 1,000 grit. As we see this, the scratches are becoming smaller and smaller. Let's go to 2,000. Okay, there's that. Now let's go all the way up to 3,000. As we can tell, it's getting more and more clear. You can start to truly see the watch now. Let's move on up to, this is going to be, I believe, 5,000. And at this point, you're truly just polishing it for an overall sheen. We can see, and now we are up to 7,000 grit. And voila, we are almost there. You can tell by looking now that there aren't as many scratches. The scratches are now gone. So we're now going to polish it up with a little bit of Meguiar's Mirror Glaze Swirl Remover by that Advanced Auto Parts. And this stuff works almost identical to Polywatch. I use it on stainless steel. I use it on crystals. I use it on gold because it's not as abrasive. And it really does help. So at this point, I'm going to use it strictly on the watch case itself as well. And let me give it a bit of a wipe off on a cotton towel. And there we go. Look at that. That took me literally just a couple of minutes. And look at the results that you have. Your scratches are magically gone. This is one I'll be working on for sure in the future. As it is right now, technically a non-runner. But that's how I do my crystal repairs. And I use that Meguiar Mirror Glaze Swirl Remover. I use it on the cases, gold or chrome, stainless steel. I treat each case a little different. If it's stainless, I will use these files on the cases just like I would that to remove the scratches and to restore it. And then I will go over it with the Mirror Glaze for a polished shine. I will also say on my gold watch cases, such as this, I use Meguiar on this. It won't remove gold in large amounts, to be very minute. And look how it has made my Wadsworth shine just like it came out of the store. And I also did my crystal repair. It was all scratched up. But okay, guys, this was my video on my crystal repair.